आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Our question is, in January, the value of a stock increased by 25%. In February, it decreased by 20%. In March, it increased by 50%. And in April, it decreased by 40%. If Jack invested $80 in the stock on January 1st and sold it at end of April, what was the percentage change in the price of the stock? So now our solution will be Jack invested $80. So now we are given that at the end of January it increased by 25%. So end of January the investment will be increased. So 80 plus 25% of 80. So 80 plus 25 upon 100 into 80. This will become 4 and 4 times 20 is 80. So 80 plus 20 is 100. So at the end of Jack investment becomes $100. So now at end of February it is decreased by 20. So obviously the decrease will be in this amount. So now end of Feb, because at the start of Feb Jack has $100. So at the end of Feb 100 is decreased by 20%. So 100 minus 20% of 100. So this becomes 100 minus 20 upon 100 into 100 and 100 gets cancelled. 100 minus 20 is 80. So at the end of February he is left with $80. So now in March it is increased by 50. That is $80 is increased by 50 at the end of March. So end of March 80 plus percent of 80. So this is equal to 80 plus 50 upon 100 into 80. So zeros gets cancelled and this becomes 80 plus 40, which is equal to 120. So at the end of March Jack is left with $120. So now at the end of April the investment is decreased by 40%. So at the end of April 120 is decreased by 40%. So end of April is 120 minus 40% of 120 because decrease is there. So 120 minus 40 upon 100 into 120, zeros gets cancelled. This becomes 120 minus 48 and this becomes 72. So at the end of April Jack is left with $72. And now we are required to calculate the percentage change in the price of the stock. So he started with $80 and now he is left with $72. So we are required to calculate the percentage change. That is, percentage change will be change upon original into 100. So change is calculated by original minus new upon original into 100, and original investment was $80, new is 72 upon 80, 100. So this becomes 80 minus 72 is upon 80 into 100. So 0 gets cancelled, 8 gets cancelled with 8 and we are left with 10%. That is 10% change is there in the stock. This is our answer.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट, IIT, JEE मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।